Hey everybody, this is Marty here. Today we are playing Paper Mario, for the N64. I'm not actually playing it on the N64, I'm actually downloaded a ROM on it, and this, so, it's my first time trying, so if I do something really stupid, like mess up on something, or like I can't get anywhere, then you can help me out with that. I can't even spell my own name right. Okay, let's just go flight. I like this music here. It's very... Let's just go with that. Hey! Yes. Okay, there we go. Start game file 1, duh. Just started, okay. Mario's house. I didn't think he would have a house. But then some Koopa comes in and she's like, I'm gonna put this in your mailbox. Miracle! And then flies away. And then I just come in. Oh wait, that's Luigi. Crap. Why is it called Mario's house if Luigi lives there? Jeez. He gets all the fame, doesn't he? And Mario, we got a leather. We got a leather from. I can't say right. We got something from Princess Peach. Yeah, I can't say leather right. Letter. I'll read it to you, okay? Oh, okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's pretty cool. I want to explore the house. Oh, won't let you do anything, Officer, do they? Do we get to play now? No, we don't. Okay, it's cool. Still not playing it. Oh my gosh! I wanted to look at it by myself, but okay. I guess didn't want us diddly-daddling around, just like, oh my god, I'm flying through the sky, no way! Okay, did we get to play now? Yes, 1 minute. Hey, look, we can play now. Okay, so let's explore stuff. Let's explore. I bet there would be like secret items or something. It doesn't seem to be open. No duh. It just said it doesn't seem to be open. This looks a lot like the Super Mario 64 one. Except there's no Bowser thing over there and there's no Peach movie over there. Is this one open? Oh look, this one is open. Hi lady. Blah, you're the cook, so you have to cook everything. Okay, now you gotta go shopping. Then why aren't you still here? What are you still here for? Why don't you go shopping then? Blah, you've been practicing cooking even though you haven't been making anything yet. What does that even do? I'll just spin. Okay. Wee! Oh, wee! My name is Mario! Hi guys! Wee! Okay, whatever. Wee! Oh, like how you can see pitch blackness behind it. Okay, it doesn't seem to open. Okay. I guess you have no choice but to see her. You're not talking, eh? And you're forgetting me. Okay, one. Wow, this castle is absolutely breathtaking, don't you think? No. I'd say the Super Mario 64 one's way better. What's the point of this? Like, I can go through the picture, the mirror, the window. Okay, let's go. Let's pass. Yes, right, you let me pass because my name's Mario. There's more of this. Look at, they got tea and those cookies. Yeah, those are cookies. Hey, Dad, let's see this. You gonna do that? Okay. What's the point in having it if it doesn't open? Okay, that one doesn't open either. I wanna look at stuff. Hey, look, it's a penguin. Again. Oh, let's try this one. Still doesn't open. No opening again. Let me in there. What is this? Tell me what this place is. This is Princess Peach's room. Whatever she's in there at the moment. Okay. I'm not going in there anytime soon. Okay, is this the main hall? No, yeah, is it? Yeah. Why is there so many stairs? Why is it getting darker? Oh dear. Okay, screw that. Oh no. What's the point of this long? Okay. Do I get to see her now? Ooh, so many pixels! Wow! Look at that view. Okay, anyway. Oh my god, where are you looking at? Are you looking at the middle? I'm up here. Man, pixels are so great. OMG! What's happening? The whole world is shaking. And then, earthquake? Yeah, oh no. The castle is flying. For some reason, no one sees a Bowser castle under the place, because why not? I wonder how long that's been under there. Oh my gosh, we're freaking out even though we never do anything about ourselves. What do we do? Bowser. I don't even know how it's flying right now. Oh my gosh, it just suddenly got darker. And now we're finally calmed down. Oh, are you alright, Mario? Oh yes, I'm perfectly badly injured. I'm so hurt. Call a doctor. Oh my, look, Mario. It's still daytime, isn't it? But I can see stars outside. OMG! Long time no see, Princess Peach. Bowser! But this can't be. It was just who made the ground shake just now, wasn't it? Whatever did you do? Ha 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 ha. That was me. I lifted your castle up into the sky. Where it's been sitting on my castle now. Wasn't expecting that, huh? Ah, this castle is under my control now, my dear. Now you will obey me. Huh? What? It's Mario! What a shock! I didn't see him behind Princess Peach. Oh my god. Huh, not really. I expected you to turn up right on cue. You're just as annoying as ever. Unfortunately for you, there's nothing you can do this time. Haven't you learned your lesson by now, Bowser? You'll never defeat Mario. Why don't you give up already? True. I had my problems in the past, but this time it's different. Okay. No more dialogue. Why? You can do it. Okay. Jump. Bowser. It doesn't tell me anything! It doesn't tell me anything! What am I supposed to do? Okay, that one's back. That one's, I don't know. What do I press? I can't even press anything. Can I not do anything? Okay. Good old Mario, always fighting. You're a thorn in my side. There's literally a thorn in your side. But today, your pathetic little attacks won't beat me. Magic wand. Take a look at this. This look what I stole from Star Haven. It's the Star Rod. This fine piece of work has the power to grant any wish in the wide world. No way! When I use the Star Rod to increase my strength, even you won't beat me, Mario. Why don't you just wish to, like, Mario be gone or something? You just want to be stronger? Oh, God. I just like ruining it. I'm getting tired of this. I'm in Dunger. Oh, but I can't do anything. Oh, I can't select that now.